boys, I have waited what feels like forever. So literally we've waited about a month and a half to finally get these in for the old wife wagon. So the stock units, yeah, we got to get rid of these units right here. I will say they do package these really well. Boom, they even threw in a shirt. Oh, damn. But look at the units. Woo! Those are pretty. Well, there's only one thing to do. Slam these units on. They utilize the factory clamp. So all you're going to do is... Alright, so locate your clamp. It's 13 millimeter. Just loosen it up. And we'll go ahead and pull the old tip right off. Alright, so there's your factory unit right there. Small, teeny little dude. Then you got the guy she told you not to worry about right here, boys. The old Carvens. Let's get them installed. Alright, so we got them all installed. Gonna have to do some work on alignment and getting these all lined up. But they are installed, looking minty. I love the way these things look. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Hemi Brothers, let me tell you something. I'm pretty impressed by the way it sounds. So let's get it on the fucking road and let's see what it really sounds like. Alright, so let's go ahead and tackle a fresh cold start. Now this is inside the cab right now, and it sounds decent. There's not a lot of drone right now at idle. So let's go ahead and take it for a ride. Before we go on our test track, there's only one mode we can really try. Boom, track mode, let's go. Boys, I do believe that a full exhaust system, this thing would sound pretty damn good. But for a factory exhaust system, with these units on here, they sound absolutely amazing. They look really good. Now, at the end of the day, is it worth the $200+ and some lead time to get the tips? Yes and no. The tone's a little bit deeper. It's a little more aggressive on the top end. But aside from that, it's going to be depending on you. You can go and get any exhaust tip for a Charger or a Hellcat or whatever, and they will fit this perfectly fine. But again, it's not factory fit, so you got to always take that in consideration. The guys over at Carven, they have designed it so it fits factory. So there's no additional work, no welding, no cutting, no nothing. You literally just 13 millimeter clamp, boom, put the new one on. So we're going to go and finish off the video there, boys. Do what you always do, like, share, subscribe, P-Pump the world, and I'll see you guys in the next wife wagon video.